Welcome back to the Winner Circle University, man. I am your host, Spawn Effects, and today we are going to be talking about that's 10, but five simple morning routines that will make you 10 times more productive, man. 2025, we're going all gas, no brakes. So without further ado, man, let's get into it, right? So, the importance of a good morning routine, right? The importance of a good morning routine is to keep you structured, to keep you focused, productive, and also a good morning routine sets the tone for the rest of the day, man. And what do I mean by that? If you don't have a plan, you're planning to fail, right? So have your morning routine ready, set, go, right? So it helps you to feel more productive and focused, and it also helps to relieve stress and anxiety because if you don't know what's going on, you're going to just be going under the windows. You don't want to do that at all. Next, number one. My first morning routine is being hydrated. Get hydrated, man. The moment you get up out the bed, fuck the phone. Go drink some agua fina, bro. You know what I'm saying? Go get you some water. You know what I'm saying? Go drink some tea. Well, I do recommend some water, though. Drink some tea when you eat breakfast, but go get some tea, bro. You feel me? Start the day off with a big glass of water. You know what I'm saying? Me, I drink water with a slice of lemon and a pinch of salt. I don't know why that's making some noise, but lemon, water, pinch of salt, and you know what I'm saying, it gives you a little extra boost of energy. And also, excuse me, don't eat until after 12. And what I mean by that is you don't necessarily need breakfast because when you eat, you become bloated and you become less productive, right? So you let that hunger build and you basically use it as a stepping stone. Because me, I don't just get up and go eat or whatever the case may be. No, the fuck, no. I get up, I drink some water, and then I do my second morning routine, which we are going to get up in right now, which is movement. After I drink some nice water, man, I get up, I go get my body awakened. You know what I'm saying? Get your body awakened with some jumping jacks, some couple push-ups, something that's gonna get your blood flow moving and get your body pumping, man. Let your body know that, hey, I'm awake, it's time to go. We on the road, let's go. You feel me? And it don't have to be no, oh my god, it don't have to be no rigorous workout, bro. You don't have to hit 37 jumping jacks and 450 pull-ups and 230 max bench press. It don't, no, that's not necessary, bro. Just do something that's gonna get your body up and ready, right? Excuse me. So, movement. You know what I'm saying? Get your body up, get your blood flowing, let your body know that, hey, we up and it's time to go. Now, my third morning routine is mindfulness. I like to get up in the morning and actually read the Bible or I meditate. And then sometimes I like to go outside and just like clear my mind and walk outside. You feel me? Like, I don't know, bro, but it's something about just being outside and hearing the birds chirping and the sun shining and all that beautiful stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just being one with nature, bro. Like, it's something different. You feel me? So try it. You know what I'm saying? So when you get up, drink some water. That's the first one. Number 2, move your body. Get your body ready. Number 3, mindfulness. Go meditate. Go read your Bible. You know what I'm saying? Go clear your mind. Go journal. Whatever it is that you do that is mindfulness to you to clear your mind and get you structured for the day ahead of you, I recommend you do that, bro. Number 4, a healthy breakfast. This is where it comes into eating. So after you done do all your morning routines and it's time to eat, I'm not forcing y'all to not eat until, you know what I'm saying, and to eat after 12 or nothing. I'm just saying that's what I do. That's what helps me the most because it keeps me, I don't know how to say it, bro, but it's like when I'm full, I'm less prone to actually go do something. So I'd rather be empty where I have the choice to go do something. You know what I'm saying? It's like jogging per se. You can't really go jog on a full stomach because you're not going to be able to run. You're not, because your body is bloated and the food hasn't digested yet, so you can't really do as much as you thought you could. So that's why I'm saying intermittent fasting. That's what I do. I eat after 12. So breakfast. Prioritize a good breakfast to fuel the body and provide enough energy until lunchtime. So do what you gotta do. Get that good food in you. You know what I'm saying? And you feel. And then don't forget to include some protein, some healthy fats, and some complex carbohydrates in your meal to keep you full and satisfied. Right? Because if you don't have all the nutrients you need, you're going to still be hungry right after you eat. So that's the problem with you people who eat just eating and you're hungry right after. You don't know why? That's why, because you're not putting in the right things that your body needs. So therefore your body's going to keep searching for it. And also a big factor of that is people be eating a lot of fast foods and bullshit in the morning when y'all get up. Stop doing that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Go get you some eggs, go make you some oatmeal, go eat you some greens, something that's going to actually, what's the word I'm looking for? That's going to, nutrify. I don't even know if that's a word, but something that's going to nutrify your body, bro. Go eat something like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get your body up, ready, and you feel me? Yeah. So my 5th morning routine is planning. Planning, as I like to say, as y'all been hearing me saying, you fail to plan is planning to fail. So therefore, if you don't have a plan, you fail to plan, right? So dedicate 10 minutes to planning every day and set your priorities straight. And what I mean by that is go journal something that's like, or write it down or whatever you guys use, right? And basically set your day straight. Like, oh, today I want to go record 2 videos. Today I want to go visit my dad's house. Today I want to go spend some time with my girlfriend. You know, whatever the case may be, man. Write it down, put the time block on it, and go do it. Because if y'all guys don't have your things planned out, anything can happen. And when that anything happens, you're not gonna really know how to combat it because you didn't make the plan in the first place. So again, failing the plan is planning to fail. So this helps me stay organized and focused and on track throughout the whole day, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, this morning I got up, I looked at my scripts, and I'm like, okay, this is the video I'm gonna record today. I got a lot to say about that, you know what I'm saying? Plus, when I got up, I see somebody in the circle literally made the same video I was about to make. So I was like, oh, I gotta make this video now. I gotta make the video now. You feel me? So make a list of the most important tasks and schedule time for them. So that's what I'm saying, bro. Make the time block, make the schedule, you know what I'm saying? Be detailed with it too. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you gotta put enough detailed stuff, be detailed. There's nothing wrong with that, you feel me? And yeah, with that being said, man, that is the 5 simple morning routines that will make you 10 times more productive in 2025, man. So yeah, without further ado, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for loving and supporting everything our boy do. Don't forget to click the first link in the description to join the university. We are currently free for 7 days. Yes, you heard me, free for 7 days. So get in there, start learning, and boost your 2025 to become the best version of yourself now. There's free ebooks in there. There's a bunch of templates. There's DFY products done for you. So yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. There's a lot of stuff in there for y'all boys to elevate yourself. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? It's free. Go take a look. Take whatever you need and leave. I don't really care. It's for you anyway. So yeah, go do that. But yeah, without further ado, man, thank y'all for watching. That are the 5 habits or 5 morning routines that helped me 10x my journey, bro. Because when I started implementing those, like, there's nothing I couldn't achieve, especially the planning part, bro. And the good breakfast and being hydrated and the movement, those alone will take you to another level because you're hydrated, your body's feeling good, your mind is clear. And then after your mind is clear, you eat some good food and you go start planning for your day, my nigga. There's nothing that can stop you from doing whatever you want to do. Go try it. You know what I'm saying? See y'all boys in the next video. Peace.